Laughter is the best medicine. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Laughter is the best medicine. It not only helps us cope with life's challenges, but also brings joy and positivity into our lives. Studies have shown that laughter has numerous health benefits, both physical and mental. It boosts our immune system, reduces stress hormones, and improves our overall well-being. In addition to its health benefits, laughter can also be a powerful tool for success and overcoming obstacles. When faced with difficulties, a positive attitude and a good sense of humor can help us find creative solutions and see the silver lining in any situation. Laughter strengthens our resilience and allows us to bounce back from setbacks with a renewed sense of determination. Moreover, laughter has a profound impact on our relationships. It brings people together, creating a sense of camaraderie and unity. Sharing a laugh with friends, family, or colleagues not only strengthens bonds, but also fosters a supportive and positive environment. It helps us navigate conflicts, diffuse tension, and promote understanding. Furthermore, laughter can bring luck into our lives. As we embrace a lighthearted approach, we attract positive energy and opportunities. Laughter has a way of shifting our perspective, enabling us to see the beauty and joy around us. When we face challenges with a smile, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and invite luck to be on our side. In conclusion, laughter is indeed the best medicine. Its healing powers extend beyond just physical health. By incorporating laughter into our lives, we can enhance our mental well-being, strengthen our relationships, and increase our chances of success. So the next time life throws a curveball at us, let's remember the power of laughter. Let's embrace the joy and positivity it brings, and use it as a tool to navigate the ups and downs of life. Because laughter truly is the best medicine, and it has the ability to heal, connect, and bring luck into our lives. Laughter is the best medicine, and its benefits extend far beyond just the physical and mental realms. It has the power to uplift our spirits, strengthen our relationships, and even improve our work performance. In fact, laughter has been found to increase creativity and productivity, making it an invaluable tool in the pursuit of success and happiness. When we laugh, our mind becomes more open and receptive to new ideas. It helps us think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to problems. Research has shown that individuals who incorporate humor and laughter into their work environment tend to be more creative and resourceful, ultimately leading to greater success. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.